We have designed a system that keeps track of personal video viewing behavior. With the accelerating growth in video production, management and search of viewed content is becoming increasingly challenging. To illustrate, here I'm on YouTube learning how to model and render a 3D wine glass that I'm going to use in my course project. A week later, I'm creating a new 3D glass, but I've forgotten the rendering settings. I need to find that video and the specific clip. How do I do that? As you can see, text search yields many similar results. I can also browse through my recently viewed videos, although you can see how challenging this is since I've watched many videos since then. Great, found it. Now, I need to find the clip with the settings. I'll seek through to find the rendered glass. There's the render and the settings I need. Now I can finish my 3D model, but I spent more time finding the settings than I did rendering the model. Using the VHS is much easier, since all of my video viewing history is saved and can be browsed, navigated, and searched. So let's use my history to find the rendering settings. Here's the video. Now I need to find the settings. Each video in the history can be expanded to show exactly how I watched it, because every seek or switch to another video was recorded. I remember watching the complicated parts a few times. I'll filter the history based on view count, which as you can see gives me a much reduced set of clips to search. And there's the render, so the settings will be right before it. There they are. That was much easier than searching the entire video. I've just shown you how easy it is to find previously seen video using our VHS. Let's look in more detail at how the interface works. Video viewing and single video navigation takes place in the player view. Under the player is the typical film strip, showing video frames over time. I can use this to search via seeking through the video. To change the level of detail, I can zoom in and out. As I watch video, new viewing history records are created. For example, every time I seek or play a video clip on the player, a new element is added to my history. This is the history view that visualizes everything I've seen. Thumbnails represent each clip I have watched. I can search, play, and favorite each one. Or I can delete it if I don't need it anymore. The VHS has two different layouts for visualizing and managing viewing history. This is the timeline view. In this view, history elements are attached to a vertical timeline with the most recently viewed at the top. The size reflects how often this has been viewed. For example, editing the base of the glass has been viewed more than setting the light reflection. The other visualization of the history is called the tiles view, shown here. History elements are arranged left to right and top to bottom. I can filter to show just my favorites. I can also sort the viewing history. Right now it's sorted chronologically, so let's sort by most viewed. As you can see, the largest thumbnails are now at the top. We conducted 2 user studies to investigate the performance in search tasks. First, we evaluated single video history against film strip. Participants were asked to find events within a previously watched video to answer specific questions. Users were 26% faster answering questions with our interface. We also evaluated multiple video viewing history with our approach. We compared timeline and tiles visualizations with a YouTube clone, with users tasked with finding specific clips from multiple videos. Using the timeline and tiles interfaces, users could find the target clip at least 36% faster than the YouTube clone. Our interfaces for personal viewing history can be easily integrated with today's video players.